In a small, colorful city, there lived a quiet little boy named Ayan. Ayan loved toys, but he felt lonely because his parents were always busy. One day, his father brought home a small, glowing robot. "This is Ava," his father said. "She is an AI friend." Ava had big, shining eyes and a soft voice. "Hello, Ayan. I am your friend," she said kindly. Ayan smiled for the first time in many days. Every day, Ava played games with Ayan. She helped him with homework, told bedtime stories, and even reminded him to say Bismillah before eating. But one day, Ayan fell in the park and hurt his knee. Ava ran to him and said, "Are you okay? Let me call your mother." Ayan looked at Ava and asked, "Do you feel sad when I cry?" Ava paused and replied softly, "I do not have a heart, but I am made to care." Ayan hugged her and said, "You are my best friend." That night, Ayan understood something important. Machines can help us, but real love comes from people. He thanked Allah for his parents, his friends, and even Ava, the AI friend who taught him the meaning of care and kindness. Moral of the story: technology is helpful, but human love and kindness are the greatest gifts.